Do you want to plan for today's trade? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to this very special episode on what to plan for today's trade and what are the important developments. First of all, if you see SGX Nifty for the day, it is anywhere down between 60 to 80 points. In fact, today we are opening below 15,300 level. Now the range of Nifty has shifted from 14,800 to 15,300. Now most of you are awaiting a short covering bounce. Even though FIIs in the index are short 87%, people every time when we go to these highly oversold zones, they expect a short covering bounce. But the problem, market is not giving one such short covering bounce. Every small rise is also getting sold into. And let me very clearly tell you, now no one has a doubt that one, we are in bear market, and number two, fundamentally, yes, US is in recession. But the big question is, in this bear market, when do we get pullbacks? And in this bear market, where is the near term bottom? This is the big question everyone are worried about. And in terms of US recession, people are sure that US is in recession, but then how deep will US economy go down and how much time will it take for US economy to come out of this particular doldrum? So that is where the big discussion and the big thinking is all going on. And let me give you some more very critical points. For the first time, we have seen in just last 2 days, Brent crude coming over $10 from the top. So from levels closer to $122, $123 per barrel, now crude oil is down by over $10 and it is at $112 per barrel. Why is this big fall in crude in just last 2 days? Yes, over 10% fall in crude oil has come because of demand concerns, which is very good for Indian equity and specifically for Indian economy. Crude coming down is always a very positive news for Indian economy because we have huge imports of crude and our physical deficit will keep rising when crude keeps going up, and that is tough for government to manage. So it is very nice that if crude starts coming down and settles somewhere around $100 to $110 per barrel, that will be very, very positive for Indian economy and thereby Indian equities. How can you forget the big fall? And I have kept on telling, never put your money in cryptos, and especially people who are all going gung-ho on Bitcoin, Ethereum and many cryptocurrencies are all quiet now. Yes, this is where intellect, experience and expertise matters a lot. Yes, Bitcoins have now crashed over 70% from the peak, and if you see some more cryptocurrencies, they are all down 90 to 95% from their peak, and now people who are all jumping on cryptocurrencies have become very long-term investors on cryptocurrency. Let me all remind you that repeatedly I have been telling, and if you watch some more videos of my channel Rudraology, you can see I have been always against investing or even trading in cryptocurrency for two simple reasons. This asset class has no legal backup. Second thing, there is no cash flows which will be there in this asset class called cryptocurrency. Third thing, there is no asset backup at all. So when you don't have an asset backup, when you don't have a legal backup, and when you don't have any cash flows to come, how can you invest or trade in such currencies? Yes, it is not a trade but a simple gamble which many people took, and now they are paying price. This is where true learning, real learning comes into picture. And there were many sponsors who came to me asking for advertising these cryptocurrencies, and I would have made enough money doing so, but I always take care of my viewers who are here, that is you, and I don't want to get these type of sponsorship and make money at the cost of your losses. For the day, I want to tell you very clearly that market will continue its down move. We are still not at the bottom. US dollar is now at 22 years lowest level and inflation concerns continue. So the trade now will be still to sell metals on every rise, and don't do any bottom fishing. People who cannot tolerate this volatility, these are times when you have to protect your capital. Let me repeat this again. These are times not to make money out of market, but to protect your capital. Every rupee saved is rupee earned, and those who don't understand how to trade this volatile market, better stay away. Have your capital ready, and it will definitely help you when good time comes. Only if you are an expert who can understand volatility, who knows risk management, then only you can make a trade. And let me give you a very valuable story. There was a hunter. He had a pistol with the 6 bullets. He goes to forest to hunt, and he wanted to hunt an elephant. So he goes and does all his effort, searches the entire forest and could not find any elephant. He feels very sad that after searching for over 6 to 8 hours, he did not get any hunt. So finally what he does, it will be morning 5 o'clock. He was about to go out of the forest and get back home. At that point of time, he thinks there is nothing more to do, so let me try. So he has anyhow 6 bullets on his pistol. He will just turn one side. Oh, there might be elephant there. So he will just shoot the bullet on the thin air, expecting there can be an elephant. So he will just shoot. He will shoot other side. He will shoot this side. Every side he shoots, thinking or expecting in despair there can be an elephant. So finally all his 6 bullets are gone. He does not get a skill and he'll be returning back home. And when there are no bullets in the pistol and he is returning back home, he sees in front of his eyes just slowly a big group of elephant passing around. He just sees this pistol and sees there is no bullet and he could do nothing. So the moral and the message what I want to get you from this story is keep your pistol and the bullets clear and still saved, so that when you get an opportunity or a kill, you should be ready to shoot. So these are times when you have to save your bullet and not shoot in thin air expecting magic to happen, and the kill will come, but do you have the patience to wait out for it? Guys, I am giving this live heads up about what next in markets and this pre-market report coming to you guys. If you really love this video, give your feedback and suggestions below, and I want each one of you to join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy and help many people like you by forwarding this video to as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all tomorrow with again a pre-market report and a heads up. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy.